Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes like a pro. So if you're interested in today's video, make sure you stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright guys, so to jump right into the video, the first thing we're going to do to prepare to apply our lashes is we're going to curl our eyelashes, our natural ones, with any kind of eyelash curler that you have available. And make sure you go right up to the root of the eye and get all of your lashes in there, but obviously don't pinch yourself. And I'd hold it there for like 30 seconds and I'd pulse the eyelash curler. I don't know if you guys can see the way it's bumping up and down like that, but it's because I'm sitting here and I'm squeezing the lash curler. So do that for about 30 seconds to each eye. And if you're one of those type of people, if you want, you can go ahead and double curl your lashes, but I'm just okay with one curl. Alright, now that we got our lashes curled, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop on some wing liner roll. Now that we have our eyeliner done, we're going to provide a little bit of a base for those lashes to sit on. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara and just add a slight coat of, just the smallest coat of mascara to my lashes. Alright, like so. And now that we got that done, time to go into the main part of what this video is about. And we're going to go in and now apply our lashes. These are the lashes I'm going to be using today. Oops. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using today. These are the Lily Lashes in the style Boston. So we're going to go in with our Duo Lash Glue. Now when you go in, you're going to go in at a upper angle and come down like so, starting from the outer edge, working our way in. Just like so. Time to do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, now that we have the lashes applied and the glue is dry, it's time to blend the natural lash with the false lash. And to do that, we're going to be going in with that same mascara we used earlier to apply the base for our lashes to sit on. And we're just going to go in and apply it like normal mascara. And make sure you don't pull too hard when you're applying the mascara, because you don't want to pull the lash off if you don't have a good enough bond. Alright, let's get back in focus here. Alright, now that we got those blended together, we're just going to sit here and wait for the mascara to dry. Once the mascara is dry, we're going to go ahead and pop some liner in our waterline using a gel liner like so. And once we're done with that, we'll be right back. Now we got the waterline liner on, and that is all for today's video. So if you like today's video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified for the next time I upload a video. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.